Uploading images is really a simple process with inkFrog. The uploader also has some nice tools to help you properly size and watermark your images. I'm logged into my inkFrog account, and this is the home screen. And to begin working with my images, I'm going to click on the Images link in the navigation bar. This screen is a nice overview of the images already uploaded in my library, and it contains several tools up here for things that I can do with these existing images. But what I want to do today is upload some new files. Over on the left-hand column is a folder list. Now currently everything's in one folder called My Images. But I'd like to separate these new files out, and users may want to separate these out by different things depending on the type of products they sell. You could separate by product category, you could separate images by part number or SKU, you could also separate them by date if you wanted to track things that way. I'm going to click the plus icon. That's going to make a new folder, and we'll call it New Widgets. The little balloon over here shows you that there's 0 images in this file, or in this folder. So we'll click on Upload because we're going to add 3 images. The web uploader, which is the first option, is inkFrog's most basic and easy to use uploader. It's really a good place to start. To add images to upload, select the Browse button, and it's going to open a window which is going to allow you to locate files on your local hard drive. So I've got the images that I want to work with located on my desktop in a folder called Widget Art. These are the 3 files I want to work with. So I'll select the file name and click Open, and then I'm going to repeat that process for the remaining 2 images. Next, I'm going to tell inkFrog that I want it to upload these images in that New Widgets folder that I created a moment ago. It's also important to look at some neat tools that inkFrog offers. The Resize Selections tool is going to allow you to reduce your image sizes. And this is a big time saver if you've taken images with your digital camera and you don't want to open them with Photoshop or Earphone View, for example, to resize them. You can just let inkFrog do it all in one step while it uploads your images. So if you have a 3 or 4 megapixel image from your digital camera, you don't have to mess with resizing it. So I'm going to tell inkFrog that I want it to resize all of these images by selecting the check marks to the left of the file, and I'm going to tell it I want it to resize these selections to no larger than 640 by 480. And that option is going to make sure that all of these images meet eBay's new template guidelines. You can also add a watermark, and this is going to help identify images as your property and prevent theft or misuse of images. And I would consider using your eBay user ID name here. And you can select a color for the watermark. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose black so that it really shows up, but generally I'll choose one of the lighter colors, light blue or light gray, so that it doesn't really overpower the image. So we've told inkFrog to resize the image, and we're going to have it add a watermark to the image file. I'm going to click on Upload Images, and it's going to upload all 3 of those files and give us a success notification. Hey, the images are uploaded. Alright, we'll close that and close this window. And now we'll see that if we look in the New Widgets folder, there are 3 files here. So we'll just see what they look like. There's the 3 files that we uploaded, and we can click on them to open them in a larger view. You can see that the eBay name here, watermark, is there. And if you wanted to, you could delete the image or copy the image and create a duplicate to place in another folder. So that's the process of uploading images and allowing inkFrog to watermark and resize them for your eBay listings.